Hello there, my name is Michael Klepik. I'm the director of the company Torchair. Our company designs cleaning systems for air and gas cleaning, as well as ridding them of odors. We also design water cleaning systems. Now, we're going to talk about adsorbers. Adsorbers are cleaning systems which are based on molecular sieves. What is a molecular sieve? Well, first of all, let's imagine a sponge that is made up of very small, tiny micropores. In the same way, an adsorbent, just like a sponge, consists of these very small micropores. This allows small molecules, such as air or water, to pass through the micropores. Meanwhile, large molecular compounds will be retained in these pores. I think the most well-known adsorbent for everyone is activated charcoal. This is something that we regularly use, for example, when our stomach is in pain. The activated charcoal absorbs all the contaminants and keeps them in itself, and then it is excreted. Water or oxygen passes through the micropores and goes out. There are different types of adsorbers. First and foremost, there are two types: water adsorbers and air adsorbers. Let's talk about air adsorbers. Air adsorbers are mounted in the systems for cleaning air from unpleasant odors. How does it work, this adsorber? The adsorber housing is filled inside with adsorbent. The adsorbent is a special activated charcoal, synthetically activated charcoal. Contaminated air enters the adsorber and is distributed through the special small channels as evenly as possible over the entire area, and the whole surface of the adsorber, adsorbent. The adsorbent absorbs all the molecular contaminants. Meanwhile, clean air passes to the outside and leaves the adsorbent. Afterwards, it passes further to outdoor areas, or wherever you cast it. Then, back to the room. Adsorbers have proven themselves effective in many cleaning systems. For example, they're recommended for cleaning away unpleasant odors, smoke of various origins, even from incinerators, char grills, as well as for cleaning compressed air and various gases. Adsorbers are widely used in the industry. What should we pay attention to when selecting adsorbers? Naturally, first and foremost, the most important point to pay attention to is the type of pollutant. Adsorbers don't always work with all manner of polluting agents consecutively. For example, a large amount of dust or oily substances will immediately block all pores in the adsorber, and this will result in the adsorber ceasing to work effectively. And because of this, if there are any forms of pollutants, they can cause trouble when operated with adsorbers. They should be removed by a pre-filter, a special form of pre-filter. Adsorbers and adsorbents have such a characteristic as percent saturation, or percent holding capacity. This is the percentage of its weight that can be used for sorption of a specific contaminant when it effectively sorbs some form of contaminant. For example, the percentage for some sorbents totals 0.5, 1%, 5%, 18%, and 20%. This is the factor which directly affects the efficiency of the adsorber and how durable it is in operation. That is, some sorbents may clog, roughly speaking, in a week, while others will work for 6 months. This should be carefully considered when selecting the appropriate equipment. In addition, the equipment should be designed in the correct fashion. This is because the sorbent holding capacity will, in turn, predetermine the sorption chamber dimensions and the way the gas flow is distributed, so that contaminants come into the sorbent in an even manner. It goes without saying, price is an obvious advantage to adsorbers when air, gas, or water cleaning is concerned. Adsorbers feature low operational costs. The second advantage is their ability to regenerate. Some adsorbers can be regenerated and reused a second time. The third advantage, if it's impossible to regenerate the adsorbers, they can be easily disposed of. That is, simply hand them over to a specialized company that will dispose of them as non-hazardous or special waste. I hope you got a clearer idea of what adsorbers and adsorbents are. If you need a system for cleaning air, gas, or water, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.